This video covers door latch replacement for the Furrion Tankless water heater. Rotate the latch 90 degrees counterclockwise to release the door from the unit housing. Pull up to free it from the assembly, then set it aside. Press the spring clip from behind in order to remove the latch tab. Then uninstall the spring clip from the unit housing. Install your replacement latch by pressing the spring clip through the mounting hole in the unit housing. Press and hold it in place to hook the latch tab onto the spring clip. Reinstall the door to the appliance housing to complete the door latch replacement procedure for the Furrion Tankless water heater.